Okay, this is going to be short course a-nain, Techno EB410. I'm recording this on the GoPro Hero 7, 2.7K, 60 frames a second, Pro Tune on, GoPro color profile, high audio processing. See what this looks like.
I'm not sure how to reprint that last three. That looks like a good angle.
Yeah. All right, I'm still not sure how this hyper smooth thing is working out, but I'm gonna do all
the short course trucks out there, please.
I'm gonna do all my first mains in 2.7K linear, and then I'm going to do the second ones in 4K 60, unless I run out of battery, but I think I'll charge up over lunch. Whoa!
Yep.
I love short course. Short course is fun. Short course is so fun. Woo! Short course.
It's like 8 kill, but better.
Yep.
Marshals, ready? Eyes on the corner. Not the race.
Short course a-nain.
Gentlemen, we are going racing on the sound of the tone in less than 5. Ladies and gentlemen, the cleanest start in the history of short course racing. And I spoke too soon.
Yeah. Come on, please!
Local hotshots John Penny and Jordan Miles take it for ooh. That's gonna cost Jordan a little bit.
Ah! Hurry, hurry,
Short
hurry!
course racing, where you don't even need someone to flip over. It's a race again for first in place, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh!
Jordan Miles keeps it rubber side down to the ground.
Four minutes left.
Jordan's looking to catch up to Mr. John Penny. Just blowing some cold air on the anus of Mr. John's Traxas.
Marshall, put me over! Never mind.
Jordan's just there, waiting for you to make a mistake, John.
Oh!
And out of courtesy, makes his own mistake.
Marshalling. Well, if he's afraid of it, then he shouldn't be on there.
With a turn or two left, those will be your leaders. Oh. John trying a different line. Didn't work out for him.
3 minutes left.
3 minutes.
Mr.
All
Golfman,
right.
in case there's too many
I got
people on
3
the track,
minutes to
just
make
letting
that
you
up.
know that those are first and second place, slowly coming up behind you. When the time comes, please make them a little space. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the moment where you will see the most cars close together on the track.
Just punt him, Patrick, eh? Just punt him, Patrick, eh? Just punt him right off.
Nice try, Mustafa.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he did. Fuck that. That's on camera.
It is. I was looking right at it.
We'll review that.
Being the fair guy that he is, John is now blowing some cold air into the rear end of Mr. Jordan's track's ass.
Oh!
Oh, giving it a little kiss too. He's like,
Oh! At least that slowed you down a bit. Oh!
look at this side-by-side closed wheel action. The ballet of RC, the finesse, the concentration, the focus, the precision. And a near miss. Even I did not catch that. Oh, because the short course wasn't exciting enough. Oh, wheels himself. The short course wasn't exciting enough. Just throw a little cocktail into the mix, a little backwards on the straightaway cocktail. ever you want to have fun taking apart and putting a car back together, nothing like a head-on collision down the straightaway to get that started. Watch out after the double before that. Good job.
1 minute left.
The closest racing I see here must be in the short bus category.
Whoa!
Goes for the inside, takes himself out. 40 seconds left, really catch up. Will John
That was a risky move for that pass there.
auto self-implode?
Took the outside. I tried to slip in.
I know.
And John is out for a Sunday stroll. He's like, I won this one, guys. He even goes risque. One wheel now.
Marshall,
Watch
please.
out before the downward dog.
Oh no!
Come on! What the hell? Oh!
Oh, what a display of beauty and grace. Triple
That's
axel.
bullshit. That's not what you do.
Ladies and gentlemen, I must say, the beauty I see in this race takes precedence over the birth of my child.
Car 1 is done.
Woo! Gotcha.
Car 2 is done. Car 3 is done.
Third place.
That's a race, boys
Right
and
on.
girls. Just waiting on Mr. Mustafa to cross the line. Seal the deal. Oh,
Oh, come on, you got to get across the line. You can do it. Oh, no. What is this?
Turn to the left and hit the gas.
can't get any longer.
First place.
Car 4 is
DQ
done.
point and first. Yeah.
Good job.